Hello and welcome to the channel Living Well Matters. My name is Stephanie or Dr. English, your preference. I am a mental health and wellness professional, specifically a psychiatric nurse practitioner and licensed psychologist in the state of New York. My motivation for creating this channel is to share some of what I know with those who may not have ever visited a mental health or wellness professional. I believe the strategies, skills, and insights shared in the mental health and wellness communities can benefit almost anyone, and I'm looking to make them more accessible. In a perfect world, these mind health and wellness strategies would not be something you'd learn only when you had to see a mental health or wellness professional, but many of them would just be part of what we learn from our family as we're being raised from a child. They would be a natural part of how we communicate, how we partner, how we live in community. Perhaps they'd be taught in school or church. I've created this channel to share some of these tools, strategy, insights with anyone who's looking to level up their life and show up better for themselves and others. But I think those who have never visited a mental health or wellness professional would benefit the most from the videos on this channel. Before I get to the type of videos I'll make, I want to acknowledge my biases. We all have them. I believe the most important knowledge anyone can have is self knowledge. Not that other types of knowledge aren't important, but the most important knowledge, in my opinion, is knowledge of you. What works and does it work for you? Who and what's important to you? What you like and dislike. We live in a world where we are constantly encouraged to look outside of ourselves, to look to others for direction, to try to duplicate what someone else has found to be true for them without any consideration of whether that is right for us, to believe that there is only one right way to live or be or do something. And so knows that way because they're a professional like myself. They're educated, rich, or famous, or they have 1 million subscribers on YouTube, on Instagram, or TikTok. I don't believe there is one right way to live or be or do anything because what is true for you may not be true for another. So, with that, what videos am I going to make on this channel? Well, I'll share what is generally seen as good for one's mental, mind health, and overall well being. I'll share insights into the connection between the mind and mood. For example, that your self talk really matters and can change how your brain looks and operates. I'll share lifestyle insights like the impact evening and morning routines can impact how you show up for yourself and others during the day. I'll share behavior strategies like how to change the number one behavior associated with anxiety. You might have guessed it, avoidance. The videos I'm not going to make are videos telling you what you should do to obtain good mental or mind health. Yes, I'm an expert, relatively speaking, at what I do, but you and only you are the expert on your life. So it's on you to decide what is relevant to you, what you're going to use, if anything, from the videos I make, whether or not you're going to even watch a particular video. One thing you'll hear often on this channel, so get used to it, everything is not for everybody. So take what is relevant for you and leave the rest. Lastly, I want you to know that I'm a fellow traveler. I use and or have used many of these same tools, strategies, and insights in my personal life because I'm always looking for ways to level up in life so that I can show up better for myself and others and enjoy my life more. On this channel, I'm not looking to see how many subscribers I can get. I'm looking to build community, but not with people who believe the same thing I do, but with people who are in the same process I am of leveling up in life, living on purpose and with purpose, becoming our best selves and living our best lives. And more importantly, so that we can enjoy the hell out of life before we get out of here. Let's share this journey together. I'm glad you're here. I hope to see you on the next video, but mostly I hope to build community. Until next time.